one of the first questions I received are, what are the first signs of perimenopause and how do you know when it starts? And that's actually a very good question because, so first let's put this together. I didn't even know the word perimenopause until I was in it. So we always hear the idea of menopause. Menopause, ironically, is only the one day where you're one full year without your period. Then after that one day is called menopause. The next day, you're postmenopausal. But prior to your no longer having your period for a year, that period is called perimenopause. And so perimenopause can occur for most women in their 40s up to their 60s. Menopause, like I said, is that 1 year after your final menstrual period. And that typically happens between ages 50 to 52, but it can also happen between 45 and 60. Perimenopause is that gradual transition, that span of many years, and that can last 10 to 15 years prior to your last menses. I hope I'm not getting you all confused with this. But not everyone has bothersome perimenopausal symptoms. About 75% of women actually do. And the factors that affect that could be your lifestyle, it could be your genetics, it could be your habits. Like I said earlier, it could be surgery or even some medication can actually onset perimenopause for you. And your symptoms can fluctuate. They can fluctuate daily, they can fluctuate monthly due to the erratic hormone production that's going on in your bodies.